Welcome to my channel, Wealthwise by Samuel. Today we're going to talk about 5 tax saving strategies that everybody can use in their day-to-day tax filing that they do at the end of the year. So let's talk about both how you can save and plan your journey strategically of saving tax. And this needs to be planned from day one so that at the end of the year, you have accumulated enough in each of these buckets. So let's talk about 5 buckets. Number one, in US, if you're filing 1040, you are allowed to save your interest on mortgage as a major tax saving. So if you're paying $4,000 in mortgage, $3,000 is the interest, and $3,000 to $36,000 can be saved directly from your income. Unlike in Canada, where you cannot do that, but you could do that for a rental property. But in US, you can save that directly. And that's the first tax saving that everybody must do in order to save and have more cash at hand. Number two would be the medical expenses. So anything that you have for your dependents, for your children, for your adults or your parents that you're looking after, the medical bills is a great way to save. And there's a separate section in the tax form for medical expenses, both for seniors as well as for childcare for children as well. And that's the second tax saving that you can do, including handicapped and so on and so forth. So there are a number of clauses out there, but any medical expense or health savings account can be saved, and it's a great way to save tax. Number 3. So once you have done the fundamental tax saving for mortgage and for health, the next one would be energy efficiency. So if you are using a solar panel at your home, if you have done any energy efficiency improvements, including buying an EV, which gives $7,500 as a tax credit, EVs, energy efficient home expenses are directly impacting your tax saving, and there will be specific sections which in 1040 form or a T1 form in Canada, which allows you to save taxes on any energy efficiency improvements. So that's the third one. Number 4, if you are trying to save tax, you might want to invest in the IRA or a Roth IRA. If you are having a high interest rate and you have a good multiplication factor, for example, you are investing in triple leverage funds where you have a high returns, or you are doing day trading, or you are doing in options, or you are having a lot of high growth interest path, then Roth IRA would be a great one, or in Canada, TFSA, tax-free saving account, would be a great one. Otherwise, you can also do IRA investment for your tax deferment as well as tax saving. So that's the 4th one. Number 5 is you create an expense bucket by creating a LLC or S corporation. LLC or S corporation would be a pass-through entity. So any home office expense that you do can be accumulated in that bucket, and that can be directly flown into your tax form. I think it's a K1 tax certificate that you generate from LLC, and that comes into your personal income tax, and that's a great way to save taxes, and that would be the 5th one. So there you go, guys. Those are the 5 great tax saving strategy everybody should use. And money saved is money earned, right? And we wish that everybody uses this strategy in order to maximize their tax saving from a strategic standpoint, and go to the next step of achieving that financial freedom that you have always dreamt of. This is Sam for Wealthwise. Please like and subscribe this channel, comment, and we'll be sharing more and more videos and tips on how to generate wealth wisely and go out and make that financial freedom a reality. Thank you, guys.